Hello! In this video, we show you how to use the 12 volts battery jump starter, model JT3021. It's a compact, easy to handle, reliable device with great starting power. Its main function is to allow the internal combustion engine to start when it hasn't been possible before due to the vehicle's battery condition. In this Volvo truck, we're unable to start the engine. The reason is the poor condition or discharge of both batteries, as can be seen in the measurements taken. Since the truck has two 12 volts batteries connected in series, we'll connect the jump starter in parallel to the 12 volts battery in the worst condition. Connect the red clamp to the positive terminal. Connect the black clamp to the negative terminal. Next, we try starting the engine again, and the result is successful. Finally, disconnect the device by following the previous steps in reverse order.